time, I'm gonna cut him right down the middle.
Just make sure you don't damage the heart.
I have no clue what the fuck's going on. But I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you two are bad guys. The kind that mean business. Love me some baddies. Can't get enough. You know why that is? No one gives a shit when I carve them up.
Don't often get to kill my enemies twice in a row.
This is Sawatari. We've engaged Chainsaw at the Nerima Nishidai building. 3rd floor. Requesting backup.
We shooting him?
Keep your aim on his heart and his arms.
Piss off! Ass wide! Ow! That really hurts. What the hell? When did I even get cut? Hey! Can opener! This jerk's one of your bad guy buddies, yeah?
That observation have a point.
Well, if you move 1 millimeter from there, your buddy will lose his head, and there'll be a special on ground beef!
You're such a piece of shit.
Yeah, that's right. Sit your dumb ass down! Where'd he...
We better move him. You go and bring the car around. Make it quick. Then again, I guess there's no rush. Chainsaw's friends are dead.